In this video, I will show you how to replace the key fob battery for a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. These are the items that you'll need: a CR2032 battery, a large flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver or pick tool, and of course, the key fob itself. First, press this button to remove the hidden key from the key fob. Next, you'll use the large flathead screwdriver to gently pry the case apart. This is the location where you'll want to insert the screwdriver. Twist smoothly and gently in a counterclockwise direction, applying constant, relatively light pressure, and the case will soon pop open slightly. Slide a screwdriver along the length of this gap in the shell. Don't twist or pry while you are doing this, or you will mar the mating surfaces. Once you get the screwdriver just around the corner, the two sides of the fob should fully release. Separate the two halves. Use the small screwdriver or other small prying tool to pop the battery out. Take note of the proper battery orientation. The positive side of the battery will face down when installing. Slide the battery in at a slight angle so that the edge engages the metal spring first, then press the battery down firmly into place. For reassembly of the fob, slide the two halves together so that the non-battery side slides into the battery side. It should nestle in nicely and create a sort of hinged connection. Press the two sides together firmly on the top of the fob. Then press the bottom right-hand corner firmly together to fully snap the two sides back together. Finally, reinsert the key. With that satisfying click, your work here is done. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.